outside Visser. This is Visser Hall. We have a campus tour going on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for holding the door for us.
You're welcome. You walk into Visser. You will come down this hallway. The technology area down this hall. Main lobby. And right here is my instructional classroom. Interactive learning spaces. That is down the hall in the visitor entrance. As you can see, computers, technology room, classroom. More modern lounge on the first floor. Teachers Hall of Fame. Instructional Media / Resource Center. The Reading and Academic Success Center. Main lobby of Visser. Hoyer is also known as the Teachers College. There's a lot of plaques and frames commemorating the many teachers. Of all of the people who work here and their room numbers. These plaques commemorate students who have been doing a good academic job. Second floor Visser, you can find some history about the Kansas education. Quite interesting. Dean's office. Secretary. Creative artworks made by some children. This one was made by Chesset, age 5, smiley face. Artwork done by Early Childhood Classroom. Here's another one. Here we find the Elementary Education Advisory. These are your advising teams. WS and EC Jones Conference Center, located on the 3rd floor of Visser. Some of the professors that Jones distinguished. Jones Institute for Educational Excellence, Stephen Davis Laboratory. This floor is the Psychology Department Student Lounge. We see on the 3rd floor window across that big building is the dorm. And you see some of the neighboring buildings. Great view.